Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to export high-quality images in Adobe Illustrator. Let's dive right in. Head up to the top menu and click on File, followed by Export, and choose Export As. A window will pop up where you can select the file format. To get a high-resolution image, choose PNG from the list. Now it's important to check the Use Artboards option if you want to export specific artboards. For example, if you have multiple artboards but only want to export one, this feature will help you focus on the right section. Next, pick where you want to save your file and edit the file name. Then click Export. A new window will open, allowing you to adjust the resolution. For high-quality images, go for 300 ppi. This ensures your design stays crisp and clear. Now, if you need a transparent background, select Transparent under the Background Color option. This is especially useful for logos or designs that need to be layered onto different backgrounds. Once everything looks good, hit OK, and Illustrator will export your artwork in high resolution. You now have a clean, professional quality image ready to use. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.